of CNC machine. Computer numerical control is applied to variety of machine tool. Let us see few CNC applied machine tools. Horizontal machining center, vertical machining center, universal machining center, CNC turning center, turn mill center, CNC drilling machine, CNC gear hobbing machine, CNC shaping machine, wire cut EDM, CNC tube bending machine, coordinate measuring machine, CNC grinding machine, etc. Horizontal machining center. Let us see the 3D model of the horizontal machining center. A typical horizontal machining center consists of sliding door, machine table, control panel, mini computer. These machines are invariably used with a rotary indexing table to facilitate multi-phase machining at different angle in a single step. Automatic tool changer, machine spindle. Generally, these machines have single spindle with automatic tool changer. Horizontal machining center with pallet changer. Let us see the 3D model of the CNC machining center with automatic pallet changer. This automatic pallet changer reduces workpiece loading and unloading time and also reduce operator intervention. Vertical machining center. Let us see the 3D model of a typical vertical machining center. A typical vertical machining center has base. Base is a heavy and high-grade cast iron supporting member. It provides required stiffness and rigidity to the machine. Table. It is a finely finished cast iron table mounted over the bed base. It provides the X-axis linear movement. Saddle. It is mounted over the table. It provides the Y-axis linear movement. Column. It mounted vertical over the bed. It holds the machining spindle and provides the Z-axis movement. Tool magazine. It holds different types of machining tools to perform various operations. This vertical machining are widely used for machining horizontal surfaces. Specification of a vertical machining center. Table. Effective table area 550 into 1400 mm square. Loading capacity of table 1500 kgf. Travel. Table or column 1000 mm. Saddle or column 550 mm. Headstock 550 mm. Distance from spindle to the table surface 200 to 750 mm. Distance from spindle center to column front surface 590 mm. Spindle diameter 100 mm. Spindle nose taper JIS B6101 number 50. Spindle drive motor AC 7.5 kilowatts. Rapid traverse 15 meter per minute. Feed rate 1 to 4000 millimeter per minute. Automatic tool changer. Number of tools 40. Maximum tool weight 15 kgf. Max tool dimension 120 into L 400 mm. Universal Machining Center. These machines are similar to the common machining center, but it has the access capability to tilt the spindle from vertical position to horizontal or horizontal to vertical position. Chucking center. Let us see the 3D model of the chucking machine. A typical chucking machine has chuck, tailstock, workpiece, saddle, turret head, and carriage. Chucking machines usually have shorter beds and a single saddle with disc or drum type turret, which accommodated both ID and OD tools or two independent saddles with separate turrets. Universal lathe. Let us see the 3D model of the universal lathe. A typical universal lathe has headstock, spindle head, work rest, control panel, tailstock, etc. These universal lathes are used for turning and milling of large workpiece. Working of universal lathe. In this video, we are going to see about working of universal lathe. They are often fitted with steady rest and follower rest to accurately machine slender components. Universal lathes are suitable for both chucking and for bar work. 4-axis machines have two turrets, each mounted on an independent slide, and facilitate simultaneous machining with two tools. Vertical turning center. Let us see the 3D model of the vertical turning center. Vertical CNC turning centers are widely used for machining heavy components. Some of these machines can also be used for milling operations. Such machines are sometimes known as turn mill centers. These types of machines are very popular in aerospace industries where components of large diameters need to be turned, drilled and milled. Specifications of a typical turning center. A typical turning has following main parts: turret head, bed, guard, headstock, operator panel, chuck, workpiece and tailstock. A typical turning center is specified as swing over bed 580 mm, feed range on both axes 1 to 4000 mm per minute, rapid traverse in x-axis 10 mm per minute, Rapid traverse in z-axis 10 mm per minute. Maximum turning chuck diameter 550 mm. Maximum turning chuck length 529 or 1030 or 1530 mm. Maximum turning workpiece diameter 400 mm. Spindle speed 10 to 3000 rpm. Tailstock quill diameter 90 mm. Tailstock quill stock 80 mm. Type of bed, slant bed.